It's your girl Cat from the KittyRose lifestyle. You already know.
One of our honorees today is the beautiful, glamorous, you already know her. I don't even have to tell you her name. Hey everyone, it's your girl Cat back at the Bronx Night Market.
This is my first time meeting J-Lo, and he brought some hip-hop, some reggaeton, some R&B, some more Latin flavor.
So when I played you the Nina audio, it reminded me of having no feet and shaking things up so that you can see that we're all reflections of each other.
Shock value, because alright, I'll give you an example. Like the new thing now, I feel like everybody's doing a one woman show.
The feeling uncertain, or feeling of not trusting that inner gut, that third eye, that God is within yourself. What do you want us as a community to know about what we have to do individually in order to avoid coming to your courtroom?
Right. Well, what I can tell you is, yes, ma'am. Wonderful question.
Can couples have friends of the opposite sex?
So people who are in relationships can absolutely have colleagues, work people, comrades, and all of the like that are the opposite sex.
It's such a positive evening and we want to keep that. But just on another realistic point of view, 10 years ago you came up with the idea because you saw the strength of what an election could do and the strength of the power of people.